Welcome back to Run My Business. I'm Craig Stevens. For years, we've been conditioned to think that estimating happens in one place, at a desk, in an office, behind a workstation. But today's customers expect something different. They expect convenience and responsiveness. They expect you to move as quickly as they do. Today, we're talking about taking a mobile-first approach to your customer's experience and how CCC Mobile Jumpstart can help your team begin the estimating process from virtually anywhere, while also enhancing your marketing and capture approach. We're going to look at 3 ways a mobile-first approach can benefit your business. Number 1, start faster. Number 2, stay productive anywhere. And number 3, create better customer experiences. Let's start with the first benefit. Start faster. Think about how many estimates get delayed or skipped every week because someone isn't immediately available to begin the process. A customer arrives and wants a quick estimate. A vehicle gets dropped off or towed in. Estimators are busy with other jobs. The vehicle sits. Every minute the process sits still, the repair timeline sits still too, which puts your CSI at risk before you've even captured the job. Your team can begin capturing information and photos directly from the CCC mobile app, helping kick off the estimating and capture process immediately. Not only that, but with CCC's Mobile Jumpstart, you are provided with AI recommendations in the app right after you take the photos. This helps with writing a preliminary exterior estimate faster than ever before. And here's a pro tip for you. Think about using your employees that have great personalities and are really good with customers. Yes, do that instead of pulling your more seasoned, tenured estimators away from the bigger tasks of writing the rest of the estimate after teardown or managing any supplements with the technician. Let's face it, in collision repair, getting started often determines how quickly everything else follows. And guess what? Being at the car with the customer when you do a mobile jumpstart estimate has multiple benefits. 1, customers think technology is cool. They do. Number 2, you are building trust through conversation. And number 3, you're starting to lower the customer's anxiety. The second benefit is simple. Stay productive anywhere. Let's be honest, the collision repair business doesn't happen behind a desk anymore. You're in the parking lot, you're walking the shop floor and updating production, you're helping customers, you're checking on repairs, you're searching for that part that you know came in yesterday. You're moving all day long. So why should the estimating process stop every time you step away from your desk? Mobile Jumpstart allows your team to capture information while they are where the work is actually happening. The parking lot, the service drive lane, the tow yard, the production floor. Instead of forcing people to return to a desk before progress can begin, mobile-first thinking allows productivity to travel with them. Work while you walk. The third benefit may be the most important. Create better customer experiences. Customers don't see your processes. They experience them and feel them. What they notice is responsiveness. They notice action. They notice when things move quickly. When a customer sees photos being captured immediately, and when they see the repair process beginning right away, they then feel like progress is happening. Confidence grows, anxiety lowers, trust builds. And trust is one of the most valuable things you can build with a customer. Technology alone doesn't create trust, responsiveness does, and people do. Mobile-first tools like Mobile Jumpstart simply help make that responsiveness easier to deliver. If there's one thing I'd encourage you to think about after today's episode, it's this. Look for moments in your process where work stops simply because someone isn't sitting at a desk. Those moments are opportunities. Opportunities to move faster. Opportunities to work smarter. Opportunities to serve customers better. And that is exactly what we discussed today. We talked about how a mobile-first approach can benefit your shop by being able to start faster, stay productive anywhere, and create better customer experiences. Because the future of collision repair isn't about where you're working, it's about what you're able to accomplish wherever the work happens. This episode was really just the setup for our next one, when we are actually going to do a mobile jumpstart estimate. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Run My Business. Be sure to subscribe so you'll know when we post new episodes. And until next time, keep looking for ways to run your business a little smarter every day.